Good morning. First overnight it was Teeny, followed by Winnie, and then Teeny comes back again. I love the way he just sits and waits for Winnie to finish first. ChipChip is the next one to arrive. And she's soon back again. And she's back again. And then Teeny comes back. Winnie also comes back as well. And then ChipChip comes back. And then Jimmy comes over. Teeny and Winnie together again. And ChipChip is back. Teeny also comes back on his own. And then ChipChip is back again. She was actually there for some time before leaving, but she was soon back again. And then Daphne strolls over. Thanks, Daphne. Teeny then came back again. And he was the last one on the overnight camera. So I've just been to the doctor's and had my B12 injection, so hopefully I'll start feeling better in the next few days. The weather today is dismal, it's raining, a little bit windy, but it's this rain. And I've just been into Lidl. I've got some chicken wings and I've got some bread. And every time I put the bread in the bag, it kept saying please remove last item. Anyway, the guy came over. I said, for some reason it's just not liking my bread. And he said, take it out, put it back in again. He said, do you know what the problem is? I said, what's that? He said, you're using an Aldi bag, not a Lidl bag. Anyway, it's all sorted now, and I'm going to go home now and get another cup of coffee. So for my late breakfast or early lunch, I'm having a bowl of Kellogg's Crunchy Nut cornflakes and a cup of coffee in my ChipChip mug. Look who's first tonight, it's Teeny. No sign of JJ overnight, a bit concerning. Hopefully he'll turn up tonight. Good boy. I think there is a car gonna come. It's okay, baby. It's alright, little fella. Good boy. Teeny, you coming back? Come on. So Teeny didn't come back, but I can hear him and another fox making some sort of a noise that way somewhere. So I'm gonna go and get my dinner sorted and then hopefully they'll come back. Today's dinner is roast belly pork slices, roast potatoes, and then white cabbage and Brussels sprouts and a pork gravy. So Teeny has come back out again, but there is a van going to be reversing or coming down here in a minute. Do you want some chicken, my baby? Should we have some chicken? Yeah? Here. Ready? Come on. There we go. Look, there's a couple. You don't want them? No? There's chicken on the tray as well. Some drumsticks on the tray if you want them. I think you're getting too fussy. Good boy. Okay, so Teeny is on his way back over again. Right, mate, do you want this? There we go. You don't want that then? Do you want this instead then? Try this. There we go. You've got a wing and a drumstick now. Which one do you want? Bless him with his little bit of a limp there. I don't believe he's taking that. Look who's back, it's Teeny. It's been Teeny all night, haven't seen anybody else. What do you want, mate? Give me them. Ready? There we go. If not, there's chicken on that tray. You can help yourself. You don't want a drumstick, do you? Don't quite know why. Keeping you up, are we? Yeah? I don't believe that. He just pulled a drumstick up off the tray. They're all from the same packet. What do you want? Look, I've got another. Do you want another drumstick then? Try that one. Oh, did that make you jump? Sorry. Very sorry about that. Talk about indecisive. Right, he's going to take that one. So the drumstick is out in the street and he's come back again. I don't think you know what you want, do you, mate? No, you don't know, do you? Try a different one then. Ready? There we go. You are funny. It's okay. Okay, bye then. ChipChip then turns up and she is in and out taking stuff off the tray like it's going out of fashion. I just happened to be in the kitchen at the time. Hey, finally I get to see ChipChip face to face. She's been backwards and forwards as you've seen on the bottom camera. And she did all of that whilst I was making a drink, would you believe? Just putting some stuff in the dishwasher. Made a cup of tea for Carol and a coffee for myself, come back through, and then just caught her running off again. It's okay, baby. Good girl. Well done. It's okay. Come on, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm going to throw a piece of chicken out as well. Oh, is a car going to come? Come on, Chip. Come on then, I could see you. Do you want some chicken? Here we are. Are you ready? Come on. Come on. So finish your plate off first. Oh, she's going to take the chicken. I don't blame her, there's a bit of noise going on out there. So apart from seeing Teeny and then ChipChip on numerous occasions, we haven't seen anybody else. No sign of JJ, no sign of Jimmy. Jimmy I'm not so worried about, we saw him yesterday, but JJ we didn't see him at all yesterday and we didn't see him on the overnight camera, so I hope he's alright. Just a bit strange as he has been here early for the last, I don't know, 3 or 4 nights or prior to yesterday. So fingers crossed he's okay, but I'm going to give it a little bit longer and see if he does turn up. Winnie then comes over. I have sped this up a bit as she came over 2 or 3 times but didn't actually come into the garden. I think she's more happier with the tray being by the wall, which I will move shortly. So we've seen Teeny, ChipChip and Winnie on a few occasions, even though she hasn't come into the garden. But I've now moved the tray. No sign of Jimmy, no sign of JJ, No sign of anybody else. I'm going to call it a night now, and we'll see what we get on the overnight camera. So from me, it is good night.